Project Car continues, and in this episode, I'm full of a new body kit. We went with Duraflex with Extreme Dimensions. They hooked us up, and now we're bringing it to our official body shop of Glendale Infiniti, which is Straight Auto Body. We're gonna drop it off there for paint, prep, and prime. Probably gonna have to do some work on it as well. And then we're also bringing our brand new, well, not brand new, but new for us, Akabono brakes. So we're gonna have painted big brakes on the car, and we're gonna have our new body kit by the end of this video. Inside Straight Auto Body's shop right now, and I just wanna do a quick little tour because it's a really nice, clean facility, and they work on some crazy cars here, so we're in very good hands. All right, front bumper's off, rear bumper's off, and you know, it already looks better. Now they're gonna work on the side skirts, easy removal there it looks like, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like with no kit at all. All right, front bumper's off, rear bumper's off, skirts are off, headlights off, and the fender lining is off on that side as well. On to the next stage. The interior trim, especially on the driver's side, this kind of silver has peeled, looks terrible. I was gonna try to find a kit, maybe a carbon fiber to replace it, but we're here with Simon at Straight Auto Body. Why don't you guys pop it off and just paint it matte black for us? So that's what he's doing right now. Yeah, I think it's just like almost the clear coat that's just eaten away or something, I don't know.
When we repair sheet metal, right?
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna be down to bare sheet metal.
Mm-hmm.
At some point, you know, the damaged area, when we repair it, we sort of increase the damaged area, right? And when there's any sort of body filler put on it, and then you sand it, you sand beyond the edge,
Mm-hmm.
right? And then, you know, you put some primer on it, and then you sand it again, and then you sand it beyond the edge. So you know, you continue to sort of like increase the damage area.
Getting larger and larger, right? Yeah.
That's not enough room to blend, so we'll blend into the adjacent panel, and then we'll clear coat both the panels completely.
Yeah.
So
you've sanded off the clear on both
correct,
these. Yeah,
right.
yeah. We got our body kit from Extreme Dimensions. It was a Duraflex kit, and it was complete trash. You can't even tell us?
I can't describe it. You gotta see it.
No. How is this possible? Duraflex has been around forever.
Maybe this is the very first one somebody attempted to make in their
No
backyard.
way,
The
bro.
very first time.
Oh no. So this is the rear.
Yeah, let's just put this aside for a second.
Okay. Oh, this is the front. Okay.
Okay.
What are we looking at here?
I don't even know where to begin.
Yeah.
It's
Oh.
This whole thing's like not the right shape of what a bumper
You'd have to
should be.
Bondo and shape all of
Well,
this.
Here's how.
There's all these pieces that stick out.
Right, and under the headlight and up here.
Yeah. This has none of it.
None of that exists on this.
Yeah, it doesn't even come out wide enough here for it to fit.
Look at these edges. Like, just.
Oh, yeah.
Look at all this. Like it's completely warped.
It's warped, yeah.
It's, there's not a single flat square inch on this thing.
And some positive news, I see you did some stuff here.
Well, yeah, you know, fixing the sheet metal is
Yeah.
not a big deal.
Yeah.
Sculpting a brand new
That's a
bumper
whole
out
nother
of
thing.
metal is not something I understand.
Yeah. This looks good. So you actually had to reshape the whole metal here.
There's still going to be a need for some body filler,
Mhm.
but it's nice to get the sheet metal back to where it should be.
Yeah. And we fixed that. And they got rid of that dent.
Right.
And then fixed our fenders from the roll. Got to return it. They have another kit. It's not an IPL kit, but it's coming in. It's a way, way better design fiberglass body kit. It's a little fast and furious. It's not as clean as the IPL. but it's okay. I think a body kit on this in general will look pretty cool. It's what we wanted to do, and nobody really has, even Infiniti doesn't have a brand new IPL kit anymore, sadly. And then we went to Z1 again and got our big brake upgrade, which is just slotted rotors, upgraded pads, stainless steel line. Really nice looking car next month. This month it looks a little rough, but you can tell the detail that Straight Auto Body does here. So much body panel fixing, even the fender flares the fender rolling that we did sort of bent the fender a little. We don't need it anymore since we got the correct size wheels on it. We also redid the interior trim. We're in the booth today. We're checking out our new Akabono calipers as they get painted. Want to show you guys the paint color we chose. Look at that. That's gonna be sick, bro. That's cool, yeah. Ready for zombie apocalypse. Getting our primer done first. It's hot out here. I'm slowly deteriorating. Time for some color, boys. That's right, we're going with some Porsche Lime Green.